Getting Pokemon in 2026 is nearly impossible. And you start seeing people getting 10, 15, 20 boxes of the exact same product that you were just trying to buy. The answer is these people are using bots. So you start having a look at bots online and you have no idea where to start. I've been there, I've had no idea what I'm doing, so that is exactly why I've made this video and just give you a clear guide of what bots you need, why you need them, and exactly where to start. So before we get into the tier list, just a quick mention. I'm mentioning bots and I'm also mentioning a couple of toolboxes. The reason why I'm mentioning a couple of toolboxes, there are some sites in the UK where you will need a toolbox over a bot. And because this site can get you so much Pokemon, it is definitely worth mentioning in this video. We're going to be ranking these on UK site support and features, and then we're also going to be ranking these on their real world performance, how well they actually do in these sites. So let's get right into it. First up, we have the S tier, and this one we have Stellar AIO, and this bot honestly is the best bot in the UK Pokemon market. There's nothing that really ticks all the boxes like Stellar AIO does for me, and I'm going to explain exactly why. Stellar AIO has been around for years. The development team is extremely proactive in the UK market specifically, and they are very consistent and have very consistent modules. You can count on this bot to do well on any huge UK sites that sell a lot of Pokemon. So what sites do they actually support? They support Pokemon Center, they support Argos, Very, John Lewis, Asda, Currys, JD Williams, Wayland Games, Hamleys, and honestly, this bot, you can guarantee if there's a lot of Pokemon being sold on a site and there's an opportunity for a bot to bot it, they will be right in there. They also support Amazon and Shopify as well. Where Stellar AIO excels, in my opinion, is on Pokemon Center. That is where they do the best. Stellar AIO is available to buy at any time for $300. If you're inside our Botting Mentorship, it's $250. And also, if you comment on this video, I'll drop the discount code. Moving on from there, we have our first A-tier bot. And this one is called Cyber AIO. And this bot is specifically a Shopify bot. Just does Shopify. It's been around for at least 5 or 6 years now, and at points in time, even though this bot only costs a small amount of money, it has been worth £2,000–3,000 on the secondary market. That is the kind of performance that you get from this bot, and ultimately it's known by every hardcore botter in the game that Cyber AIO is the best Shopify bot out there. And you're probably thinking to yourself now, why isn't this bot in the S tier? It's because Shopify sites that sell Pokemon are harder to come by. The type of sites that sell Pokemon that are Shopify are smaller, local TCG stores. If you have a local TCG store that you know you can get Pokemon from, then Shopify is the go-to bot, and there is no bot out there that will perform better than Cyber. Another thing worth mentioning, and this isn't actually Pokemon related, but it's TCG related, there's a website called Tops. They make lots of sports trading card collectibles and stuff like that, and their website's a Shopify. It's a slightly custom Shopify website, but again, Cyber is the best bot out there for that website and completely dominates over all other bots. Cyber AIO is a waiting list. You have to join the waiting list to get out there. They'll send you an invite, and it's relatively cheap at £50 a month. Another thing worth mentioning as well is Tidal Marketplace. Here you can rent bots, and I've actually not spoke about this on the channel before. You can rent bots for a couple of days or a week at a time, and you can get Cybersole on there, and maybe I should make a full video on that, so let me know in the description. Moving on from there, we have another A-tier bot, and this one's Hidden AIO. Hidden AIO is a bot that's very similar to Stellar. On paper, they support Pokemon Center, Very, Asda, Argos, Currys, John Lewis. Hidden isn't as consistent as Stellar, but at times it has beat Stellar in a couple of points when it usually comes to time. For example, JD Williams, Hidden AIO got on that a good few weeks before Stellar did. So people was at Hidden, botting JD Williams, getting Ascended Heroes, getting the boxes and stuff that they want, while Stellar still didn't have support for it. That drew a lot of people across to Hidden, but ultimately a lot of people went back to Stellar. But what I'd say is Hidden is a close second place. Hidden AIO is $200 up front, then it's $50 a month after that. And now we're going to go into a couple of toolboxes. And the reason why toolboxes are B tier and below is because, like I said at the start, we're rating this tier list on the amount of sites they support and also the real world performance. So first off, we have in the B tier is a bot called Titan. And I just want to say, take this with a pinch of salt. This bot has only come around in the last month, but in that last month or two, it has made a good few waves in the space. This bot focuses on generating Amazon accounts. So for those of you who don't know, know, Amazon in the UK, it is mostly an invite-only system. Amazon put it on their website and people can request an invite through their Amazon account. They get randomly selected to purchase the product. People go purchase it, get the product. It's that simple. Key to this whole thing was having lots of Amazon accounts. That's how you win the most amount of products and ultimately get the most amount of Pokemon from it. Pretty much anyone could go on there and just start cracking on and generating Amazon accounts, like hundreds in a day. It is the best Amazon account generator and Amazon suite out there at the moment. One thing to mention with this bot, it's £1,000 or more for a lifetime key, and you can only pay in crypto. That is the only way to get in at the moment. From there, we have our C tier, and this toolbox is called Skyridge. And the reason why this bot has made it into the C tier is because this bot supports tons of different features and tons of different sites and tools that you can use with it. While it supports so much, this bot is a CLI, so it's not very user-friendly. It's a lot of CSV file editing and settings editing from like text files, just overall really quite complicated. It's also worth mentioning this bot has pioneered a whole bunch of stuff. There's tons of other things like that where Skyridge has excelled, and to this day that people still use Skyridge to generate a ton of Amazon accounts, and they've worked on making their account generator a lot better because Amazon has got a lot more popular amongst botters. Another thing that I would say about Skyridge is the pricing is very fair. The bot is cost around £25 a month. It's very cheap, but you have to know how to use it right. And that is ultimately why it's made it into my C tier list. So here's a recap of how everything rounds up in my full UK Pokemon botting tier list. First off, we have S tier, Stellar.io, best UK bot out there, extremely consistent, and you can just count on it to just work well. A tier, we have Cybersole, best Shopify bot, proven over years and years and years. A tier again, we've got Hidden AIO, strong stylist, and a good backup. B tier, we have Titan, best Amazon account generator out there, really expensive, but ultimately it is the best Amazon account generator. Then we have Skyridge, kind of want to say cheap and cheerful, but hard to use bot, but very, very powerful if you know how to use it. And probably at this point, you've got tons more questions about all of the bots, more specific, deep down questions, and that is why we made our Botting Mentorship. We give you the bots, give you the right proxies, give you the guidance, video libraries, one-to-one botting support. So if you want to be involved in that, then check out the link in the description. But getting Pokemon in 2026 is getting harder and harder and harder. So let me know in the comments what videos you want me to make, any questions, anything like that, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see everyone in the next video.